Okay, tonight I'm going to be teaching a dance called Alligator Smile. It's a 4-wall 32 count dance. It's to the music Can't Keep Up by Brett Eldredge. Steps to follow you. So what we're going to do, it's going to be on the left foot. We're going to do two hook bands. We're going to the left, up to the right, to the right. Then stand and do two more bands, right to the left. Then we're going to do a right A step. And then we're going to move kicks. And now just put your count. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of dance.